Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Canva search history. Yes, you heard me right. You can clear the search history of Canva and it's really simple. It's only going to take a while. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say this is the Canva page. Ignore this was the project I was working on earlier. So let's go to this side where you can see design, elements and stuff like that. Let's go to the elements. So basically you search it here, right? All the frame lines, these are all the search history that I had done before. This is the frame line I had searched it before. So in order to clear, there is simply an option that says clearly. So all you have to do is tap in there, and just like that, your history has been search history has been deleted. And yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. I go back, there is no any. Earlier there was frame line, but that was what I had searched before, and now there is nothing. So this is how you know you have cleared the search history. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.